04 GE box fan with thermostat control. Here's high with thermostat control. Here's high. Sorry, I had to catch my breath there. It's made up on a good deal for $10. It's high. Well, I'll show you the thermostat. This cabinet is like very thick. So that's the thermostat right there, and this is this on-off switch. See, now I can't even fit my whole. That cabinet is like very thick compared to. I'll show you another fan I have. Compared to this Lasco Cool Colors box fan. Compare this Lasco box fan. Compare to this fan. Get this cord out of here. Okay. And off. Alright, compared to this one, I can fit I'm gonna show you. I can fit my whole hand on this one. Pretty much. That one. This one, I can barely even fit it's too thick. And I can't even pick it up. Like, I can't lift it by the cabinet. This one I'm heavier. This one I can just carry just like this, even though I didn't have a handle. But, so that one's a little different. And these both utilizes their feet. This one I bought at Walmart. This Lasco box fan, Cool Colors. They had them in magenta, they had them in black, they had them in green, I think. In green, and they had them in this color. I think they had them in green. Look for, next time, or you guys ever go to Walmart next summer or stuff like that, look for one of these box fans here. I recommend it very highly. It's a very powerful box fan. And it utilizes the fuse safety plug, rather. I mean, not to say that all box fans don't. Not to say that all fans don't utilize this fuse safety plug. But all fans do today, no matter what. Hawaiian Breeze, all those other brands out there. All those other cheap brands that you find in stores today. So all those brands that have very cheap motors out there too. Yeah, so my 2004 GE box fan, 04 GE. Hope you enjoy this video. Goodbye. And I just got sprayed. My air freshener. Goodbye.